Hello, we are currently on the Sun Princess, and this is Cabana Mini-Suite 10514. The Cabana Mini-Suite is a type of cruise ship cabin that is only available on this ship right now, the Sun Princess, and eventually on the Star Princess and other ships that are coming soon. But I know a lot of you want to know what this Cabana Mini-Suite is like. Now, the toilet is still the same. It's still a pressure flush toilet found in the other ships. But now you'll see the shower has lost the curtain because now it's glass, which is great because that curtain was a little bit annoying if you've done cruising on other ships with shower curtains before. Now you still have ample storage in the bathroom as always, which I love. As far as power outlets, you have a 120 volt US outlet and a 230 volt European outlet in the bathroom. Underneath the sink, you have a nightlight, which senses you when you walk into the bathroom, let's say in the middle of the night, so you won't be stepping on things that you can't see. Now going back to the shower stall here, yes, you still have the dispensers for the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which again is great because now you don't have to bring your own and put it in your luggage. Now let's focus on the shower controls for a second here, including the temperature and the water flow. You'll see that it's now located on the side instead of underneath the shower. And this is good because now you can reach in and turn on the shower from the outside of the stall and test the temperature before you actually step in. But there's a downside, which I will show you on a separate video. Now let's go to the closets. As you can see, the closets now have doors. On the previous ships, specifically the Royal class ships, they had no doors on the closets. They were simply open closets. And also, the closets on this ship are positioned lengthwise with respect to the position of the cabin. Now again, you have these ample storage space, lots of drawers here that you can use, more storage than you can actually use on a cruise. And if you're looking for the safe, there it is. And as always, the safe is way too small to store any laptop or anything bigger than a wallet. Your life jackets are there. And now let's walk into the actual cabin. Now, with all the devices that we carry everywhere we go, one of the biggest concerns would be power outlets and charging ports. Now, as you can see here, you have a USB-A and a USB-C charging port and your standard grounded 110 volt AC outlet. You have the same on the other side. And you know, I must say the USB-A and USB-C charging ports are pretty quick to charge your phone. I've used them to charge my phones and they're quick chargers. Yeah, you have your reading light over here. And look, underneath the nightstand, you have another night light. So if you have to step off the bed to use the bathroom or grab water or something else, you see where you're walking. The layout of this particular mini-suite has the couch closer to the balcony or, well, the cabana. But it's not always like that because in some Cabana Mini-Suites, such as Cabana Mini-Suite 10515, the couch is by the entrance, so you see it right away and you walk right up to it as soon as you enter the cabin. And that kind of layout is good for having a lot of space. When, let's say, you come out of the bathroom and you have to change, you have a lot of space there to to change, to stand up and look at the mirror and all that, and you don't have the foot of the bed blocking your path when you're trying to change, right? So that is good for that. Now, going back to our Cabana Mini-Suite, which is 10514, the advantage of having this layout is, let's say you want to book a private cabana dinner, and you will have some people over, or even a little party in your cabana. Typically, you'll have two servers come in and bring you the food and set everything up, and they could use that space in front of the couch. So this setup is useful for that kind of purpose. Here's your hair dryer by Dry Bar. And your mini fridge is located right here. Kind of the same location as with other ships. And I like this little touch they put on the chair. A little handle here makes it easier to pull the chair. Now let's talk more about power outlets because I know you got your devices with you. Yeah, here you got two more USB-As and two more USB-Cs and two more US power outlets and one extra European power outlet. How about that? Now let's move on to the part of this cabin that makes it special. And like I said earlier, this type of cabin is only available right now on the Sun Princess and the upcoming Star Princess next year. Now, why do we love the Cabana Mini-Suite? Well, it's simply because you have an extension of the cabin that's basically a living room. It's just more square footage, and you have this little room that's isolated from either the balcony or your, should I call it bedroom? Okay, let's call it bedroom for now. But yeah, and you can, if you want to open it up, you can open these doors all the way, and it becomes an extension of your balcony. But also, we do not like watching TV in bed. So what ended up happening on this cruise is almost every night we would order in, once we come back into our cabin, when the night is over, we come back, we order in some food and drinks, and we chill before bedtime. And we don't like eating and watching TV in bed. So we've actually used this Cabana TV more than we used the TV in the actual cabin. Now let's open up these doors to see if we can make the Cabana an extension of the balcony. Here we go. Let's open it up. You can just unlock this side here and push it all the way out and slide it to the side. And here we are. Now, right now we're still at port. We are in Fort Lauderdale. So, yeah, what you can see outside there is Fort Lauderdale, and you have two loungers here with pull-outs underneath for your feet, like some stools that you can pull out, and a little table there for your drinks. It's pretty big compared to a standard balcony. It's probably 3 times the size of a balcony on the Sun Princess. The wide area that you can see outside your balcony here is the roof of the promenade, so it keeps them sheltered and also keeps the noise from infiltrating back into your balcony and cabana. So it has a dual purpose, which works really great. Now this is what it looks like on a sea day. You got the sun shining in. You could do some sunbathing in there or in your cabana, depends on, oh, by the way, that is me in my bathrobe. Which, I mean, I'm in my cabana. Why would I get dressed for anything, right? There's no need to get dressed, really, when you're in your private domain. Just take note that there is no roof here on the balcony, so anybody can look down from above. So no naked sunbathing on your balcony, guys. But if you insist, you can do it in your cabana right here, where you're sheltered, where nobody could see you from above, the sides, and of course from underneath. So yeah, and as you can see, the sun comes in here at a certain time of the day, right? So that is our tour of the Cabana Mini-Suite. I hope it answers all your questions about it. But if there's anything else that you want to know about the Cabana Mini-Suite, just ask us in the comments below, and we will respond right away, as we always do. And subscribe to this channel to see our upcoming videos, our full video about the Sun Princess.